Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Every shipment that leaves a warehouse carries not just goods but trust, value and reputation. Yet every day supply chains are exposed to invisible threats, theft, fraud, cyber attacks or delays. A single breach can disrupt global trade, damage reputations and cost millions in losses. In this video, we are going to reveal the top 5 supply chain threats that most businesses ignore and show you how ISO 28000, the international standard for supply chain security management, can help you eliminate them. By the end, you will understand how to protect your operations, secure your shipments, and build trust with clients and partners in 2025 and beyond. Now, threat 1: cargo theft and hijacking. Cargo theft remains one of the most immediate and visible supply chain threats. In 2025, it is estimated that billions of dollars worth of goods are stolen every year, from warehouses to trucks, ports, and even during transit. ISO 28000 helps companies implement robust security controls, such as access control at warehouses, GPS tracking of trucks, sealed containers, and verified transport partners. It also ensures risk assessments are conducted regularly, identifying vulnerable routes, high-value cargo, and weak security points. With ISO 28000, cargo theft shifts from a recurring nightmare to a manageable risk, ensuring goods reach their destinations safely and customers' trust remains intact. Threat 2: fraud and counterfeiting. Fraudulent activities and counterfeit goods are a growing menace, especially in pharmaceuticals, electronics, luxury products, and FMCG. A single fake product entering the supply chain can lead to regulatory penalties, lawsuits, and reputational damage. ISO 28000 establishes a systematic framework for vendor verification, supplier audits, documentation control, and chain of custody tracking. This standard ensures that every product is traceable and every participant in the supply chain is vetted, making it extremely difficult for counterfeit goods to enter the system. Threat 3: cybersecurity risk. Modern supply chains are digital, from warehouse management systems to GPS tracking and shipment notifications. Technology keeps operations efficient, but it also opens the door to cyber attacks. Ransomware, data breaches, and system hacks can halt operations in hours. ISO 28000 integrates information security principles with supply chain management. It ensures secure data handling, restricted access to sensitive systems, and monitoring of digital threats. Coupled with employee training on cybersecurity awareness, it creates a digital defense layer, protecting not only goods but also operational information. Now let's have a look on threat 4: vendor and third-party risk. No supply chain operates in isolation. Companies rely on multiple vendors, carriers, and subcontractors. One careless vendor can compromise the entire network. A breach in a supplier's warehouse or an unverified transport agent can lead to losses, delays, or legal liabilities. ISO 28000 requires organizations to vet third parties thoroughly, assess their security practices, and include contractual obligations for compliance. It also establishes regular audits and monitoring of partner performance. By doing so, the standard reduces the weakest link problem, making your supply chain more resilient and reliable. Now, threat 5: natural and geopolitical disruptions. Natural disasters, political unrest, strikes, and pandemics can disrupt supply chains instantly. While you can't prevent the storms or geopolitical crises, ISO 28000 emphasizes risk preparedness and contingency planning. It guides organizations to develop alternative routes, backup suppliers, and emergency response plans. It also aligns with global trade compliance standards, ensuring smoother operations during regulatory or border challenges. In other words, ISO 28000 turns unpredictable disruptions into manageable scenarios, so your supply chain keeps moving despite external shocks. Now, how ISO 28000 works to eliminate these threats? ISO 28000 doesn't just list threats. It provides a structured approach to eliminate them. Conduct a comprehensive risk assessment for every stage of the supply chain. Define security objectives aligned with business goals. Implement controls, both physical, logs, seals, CCTV, and digital, secure systems access restrictions. Train employees to recognize and respond to security threats. Monitor and audit continuously to ensure compliance and adapt to emerging risk. This cycle of plan, do, check, act measures ensures that threats aren't just identified, they are systematically mitigated. So is your supply chain really safe? Threats are everywhere, from cargo theft and fraud to cyber attacks, vendor lapses, and natural disruptions. ISO 28000 equips you with the tools, processes, and culture to identify, prevent, and respond to these threats effectively. Security is no longer optional, it is a strategic imperative. If you want your supply chain to survive and thrive in today's high-risk world, ISO 28000 isn't just helpful, it is essential. If this video helped you understand supply chain threats and how ISO 28000 protects your business, hit like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy. Comment below with your thoughts. Which threat do you face the most in your logistics network? Let's discuss solutions together. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.